Welcome to another tax resolution training video from taxmarketinghq.com.
So the first obvious question is, why study the Internal Revenue Manual? As we all know, the IRM, IRS publications, forms, etc., these are not tax code. They are the Internal Revenue Service's internal interpretation of code, their application of code. So why should we bother in any way, shape, or form with looking at the IRM? The answer is because the IRM is the IRS's playbook. When IRS personnel have their own questions about how something works, usually their managers will refer them to the IRM. This is their internal checklist playbook, if you will, for how they do business with us as representatives, with taxpayers, their quote unquote customers. And therefore, understanding their playbook, understanding how they are going to run the ball, understanding how they're going to play defense, and this is a lot of sports analogies for a guy that's not a sports guy, but understanding that playbook makes you better at assisting your clients. So specifically today, we are going to look at IRM 5.1.1, Miscellaneous Collection Procedures. I have posted a link to this in the chat box. For those listening to this in podcast form, I'll put it in the show notes and also in the YouTube video description after I post it later. The thing to bear in mind about the IRM is that it is constantly changing. And so we are discussing the most recent update to this IRM section, which was published and effective as of June 22nd, 2018. And for those following along at home, the slides are available from the GoToWebinar handouts panel, although I generally recommend following along directly from the IRM itself, again, which I posted the link to. So I recommend actually following along directly from the IRM, but I did put up the slides just in case.
For more resources to grow your tax firm, be sure to visit taxmarketinghq.com.